Whether you are aiming for supplementary earnings or seeking to escape the conventional 9-to-5 jobs, discovering the right passive income stream can unlock a world of financial possibilities and freedom. These 9 passive income ideas can empower you to generate more money with minimal or no involvement. The first passive income idea is to invest in stock, like investing in stock. When you invest in stock, over time, your investment grows in value and you earn either dividend or interest. This is how it works. When you invest in stock, let's say this month you invest in stock, you buy shares of a company, automatically you've become a partial owner of that company. So, as the company value increases or the stock price rises, the value of your investment increases as well. So this offers a consistent income stream for you. Next one is real estate crowdfunding. When you join an online platform that pool funds together from multiple investors to invest in real estate projects, after the conclusion or the success of the project, you either earn rental income or profit. This is based on whether the project is a rental project or the project is a whole property. So as people are paying rental fee, then you get a rental income. But if it is a project like a property project, as soon as the project is completed, the property is completed, then you get profits. Then the next is peer-to-peer funding, like peer-to-peer lending. This is also how you can generate passive income for yourself. When you lend money directly to individual or small businesses through online platforms, we have several of them today. When you lend money to individual or small businesses through an online platform, you earn interest on the loan you provide. Take, for example, someone borrowed money from you, and by the time the person is paying back, the person paid back with the interest that was charged. So that interest that was paid is your own profit. I hope you get the gist now. And the next passive income idea is to sell courses online. Take, for example, you are good at a particular skill, or you're good at a particular profession. When you create a course based on your profession and you sell it online using platforms like Udemy or Teachable, these platforms can help you reach a wider audience. So when you create these courses and you upload it on this platform, whenever someone purchases your course, you earn money from the purchase. Good part of this selling course online is that once the course is made and uploaded online, you don't need to keep rewriting or rewriting again and again. Once it is done, it is done. All you just need to do is to sit back and keep enjoying the alert that comes in, like the credit alert that comes in. So that is the good part of this creating course online. Then the next passive income idea is to create an app or software. If you are good at creating app, you are good at creating software, you can develop a mobile app or a software product. Once you launch it, any sales or subscription that is generated from that app or software will generate you income. Take, for example, like this Apple Store and Android Play Store. Could you believe how many thousands of people that has gone to that app to download, to make purchase, like to do one certain activities or the other? And as they are doing those activities on that app, the person that created the app is generating income. The next passive income idea is automated dropshipping. When you set up an online store, when a customer makes a purchase and the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer, the difference between the product cost and selling price is your profit. Then the next one is affiliate marketing. Promoting other people's products or services will earn you a commission on each sales that is made through your referral link. Take, for example, you make a sales of $100 and $1,000. The commission you will get from $100 sales and $1,000 sales will differ. The one of the $1,000 sales will give you more income, more profit than that of the $100 sale. So take for example, if you make a sale of higher price, like consistently you made sales of higher price, you will earn massively, as in you will earn massively. So affiliate marketing is a very good passive income idea that anyone can do. You don't need to have the skill. You don't need to know how to do it before you start it. You just have to learn from one or two people, or you can watch videos online on how to go into affiliate marketing. And once you are in, you will make good money. Then the next is to create a YouTube channel. After creating a YouTube channel and you upload videos, once your videos are monetized, you get paid through the advert that is placed on your videos. You can also get sponsorship and also make money through affiliate marketing. And the good part of this is once your channel gains popularity, like the more your channel gains popularity, the more money you tend to make from a YouTube channel. The next is to create a membership site. When you offer exclusive content or resources to members of your community, they will have to pay a monthly subscription fee to gain access to those resources or content. So that monthly subscription fee that is being paid is how you generate money every month. Like every month you keep generating money from this site. Take for example, the members of your community are paying a monthly subscription fee of $50 per month, and you have thousands of people in your community. Just imagine how much that will be at the end of the month, how much you'll be generating from that membership site. You can see it's a lot, right? And you will keep generating that money as far you have people in that community. Choose a passive income streams based on your skills, interest, and risk tolerance. And make sure to diversify your sources so as to provide stability and help you reduce risk. If you find this video helpful and useful, please give it a thumbs up and also share to your friends and your family. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section below. Let me know which other passive income ideas I didn't add to the list, like I forgot to add to the list. Let me know in the comment section and let's talk about it in the comment section. Don't forget to also subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.